In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Adobe Scan files on PC. If you've been using Adobe Scan on your phone and now want to open those scanned documents on your computer, the good news is that the process is very straightforward. As long as your scans were saved to the same Adobe account, you can quickly find them online and download them to your PC whenever you need them. To get started, open any web browser on your PC. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whichever browser you normally prefer. Once your browser is open, go to Adobe Acrobat Online. This is the web-based Adobe platform where your synced documents and scanned PDF files can be accessed from a computer. When the site loads, sign in using the same Adobe account that you use in the Adobe Scan app on your phone. This part is important because your files will only appear if you log in with the matching account. If you have more than one Adobe account, take a moment to make sure you're using the correct one before moving on. After you're signed in, look for the section labeled Documents or Files. Depending on the version of the interface you see, the wording may vary slightly, but it will lead you to the area where your saved PDFs and cloud-stored items are listed. Once you open that section, your scanned PDF files should appear there. These are the documents you created in Adobe Scan and saved under your Adobe account. If you have several files, you may want to take a moment to look through the list and locate the exact scan you need. File names and timestamps can help you identify the right document more quickly. To open a file, simply click on it. This lets you view the scan directly in your browser, which is useful if you just want to check the contents without saving anything yet. If you want a copy on your computer, select Download. That will save the PDF to your PC so you can store it, share it, print it, or attach it to emails and other documents later. And that's all there is to it. Open your browser, go to Adobe Acrobat Online, sign in with the same Adobe account you use for Adobe Scan, head to Documents or Files, and then view or download your scanned PDFs. It's a simple way to move from mobile scanning to desktop access without transferring files manually.